Hi friends, this video is a part of my project for CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. The project is inspired from the sixth degree of Kevin Bacon's game. According to the game, anyone in Hollywood film industry can be connected to the Hollywood actor Kevin Bacon within 6 steps, where each step consists of finding a film that the two actors both starred in. In this project, we are interested in finding the shortest path between any two actors by choosing a sequence of movies that connects them. Let's take the case of Tom Hanks and Kevin Bacon. They acted together in the movie Apollo 13. So, the shortest path that connects the two actors has a distance of 1 unit, or we can say the degree of separation is 1. What about Tom Hanks and Jack Nicholson? We already saw that Tom Hanks and Kevin Bacon acted together in Apollo 13 and they have a degree of separation of 1 unit. Also, Kevin Bacon and Jack Nicholson starred in the movie A Few Good Men and hence have a degree of separation of 1 unit. So here, the shortest path that connects Tom Hanks and Jack Nicholson has a distance of 2 units, or we can say their degree of separation is 2. Here we use BFS or breadth first search algorithm on the IMDb database of actors and their movies for the implementation of the project. Now let's go to my desktop to demonstrate how my code is working. CS50 provided students with the IMDb database and codes necessary to load those data into the memory so that students only need to focus on the problems that they are solving. The small folder has sample data just for a quick check of your code because running the code on the larger dataset takes a lot of time. Inside small folder, we have a sample movie file which contains a list of movies and its unique ID. People file have a list of actors along with their unique ID, and we have a star file which have IDs of actors and the movies that they acted in. The large folder also have similar files with the data of over 45,000 actors and 3.5 lakhs of movies around the globe. Now I will switch to my terminal and run my code. First I will run the code with smaller sample data. Let me navigate to the source folder. Now type python degrees.py followed by the small data folder. Okay, now whom should I put as source? Okay, let's put Tom Cruise and target as Tom Hanks. Oops, person not found. Okay, I misspelled Tom Hanks. Let me correct it and run. Tom Cruise and Tom Hanks. So the output says 2 degrees of separation as our source Tom Cruise is connected with Kevin through the movie A Few Good Men and Kevin is connected to our target Tom Hanks through Apollo 13. Now let's run the code with actual data which is in the large folder. It will take some time to load the data. Okay, name okay, Mohanlal, Malayalam superstar, and the big B of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan. Let's wait and see what comes up. So the duo has a degree of separation of 1 as both shared big screen for Ram Gopal Varma's Hindi movie. Now let's try one more time. This time whom will take? Okay, we'll take Tamil superstar Rajinikanth and Hollywood's Batman Christian Bale. Let's see what pops out. It's taking too much time. So guys, after half an hour of extensive search, here's the result. That the degree of separation between the two legendary actors is 3 units as Rajinikanth and Aishwarya Rai shared screen in Yanthiran. Aishwarya Rai shared screen with Ben Kingsley in The Last Legion and Kingsley acted with our target Christian Bale in Exodus, Gods and Kings. So that's all about my project. This is degree at CS50. Thank you.